here with you today. I am in charge of the ACE Manager business game. I don't know if you've known about it. Sijen, my collaborator, just give you flyers. So I invite you to open it, and I will explain you all about the business game. So let's see what it is. So ACE Manager, it's a business game which has been created 5 years ago in BNP Paribas, and it helps, of course, to increase the brand awareness worldwide. And second thing is very important for us to get the best talented students from all over the world. So it's a business game in 3D, so that means you have to have a connection on internet, and you have to go on acemanager.bnpparibas.com to make the registration. So if you open, you see the link here, the address where to go. And it has been an opportunity for students to get in shoes, step in shoes of a banker. And so what it consists in? First of all, you have to solve 7 business cases, and you will discover the 3 core businesses of BNP Paribas. You know, we have corporate investment banking, investment solution, and retail banking. So this is very important for you. When you will make this business game, you will have a vision of what we do every day and what is our business. So it's very demonstrating, and you will have to solve the 7 business cases, as I told you, and it will combine strategy, management, and of course finance, marketing, and management. So who can play to this business game? First of all, everybody can play, but only students from 18 to 26 years old could be eligible for the final ranking. That means if you are between this age, you can make the registrations, and of course you will be eligible for the final. And this business game has to be played by a team of 3 people. That means when you go on the platform, there is a chat online, and you can invite other teammates to join your team, and sometimes you can be invited to join the team of the people. So we mixed, of course, and we encourage a mixed team, international teams. So the current money is ACES. Why ACES? Because we are involved in tennis. You know, we are sponsorized all the tournaments all over the world, Roland Garros, Davis Cup, Fed Cup. So that's why we choose the ACES, the current money of the game, because when you play tennis, ACES is the best pound. Okay? So what will be the benefits for you to participate to this business game? First of all, at the end of the game, each one of you will receive a certificate of participation, which could be very, very valuable on your CV. When you apply in a bank or in an insurance company or in any society, the recruiters will see that you are very open-minded and very interesting by making extracurricular activities. Second, you will discover how to solve and to give the best solution regarding the cases problems, because you know every day what is your job, what is our job, sorry, is to solve and to find the best solution for our guests, for investments, for buying company, etc., etc. So you will be very, very tackled to this, and you will as well learn how to spend your time management, because in a team you have to know how to delegate, how to spend your time, and how to achieve your task. So this is very important. And last but not least, the entire game is in English, so you will of course make a progression in business English every day. Today we need to speak several languages, and of course English is one of the ones that you need to speak to have a good position if you want later in the company. And as well, we have the possibilities, for you, to increase your international networks, because last year we have at least 19,000 students from all over the world, covering 136 countries, who participate to this competition. So you see, it's very huge. And this year we have a task very numerous as well, because my task will be to achieve 25,000 worldwide. I know it's a big number, but I know we can do it. And you will help me to do it. Just here from the beginning, I told you we have 5 years ago made these business cases, and last year we have reached 19,000 nearly, and this year will be 25,000. So just to have a vision of the top 10 countries in Ace Manager 5. So last year we, as Sonia told you, we were focused on APAC. APAC is the Asian Pacific countries because you know, the market was growing a lot over there, and we decided to go in China in order to increase the brand awareness locally. And it worked very well because now China is the first country participating to the competition. And second, we have India, third, Italy, and France, Turkey, Canada, Morocco, Belgium, and other countries as well. So you see, just I wanted to tell you that Germany is not well ranked. It's about 20, but I hope this year you will make it growth and you will speak with your friends, teammates to come and join the competition. So you see on the highlights in China we have increased 1,577% because you know last year, I mean the year before it was ranking 30 and it was not exist even in the top 10, but now it's the first. So the strategy was really good. So the craze structure of the last year edition. So last year we have 9 business cases to solve. This year will be more easier, you will have only 7 business cases to solve. So it's good for you, and you will discover the 3 core businesses of BNP Paribas, as I told you. So we have developed as well a program called Ambassadors Ace Manager. So who are they? Today we have 400 ambassadors worldwide who help us to promote the business game in their universities or their schools. Because we can't go everywhere, of course. And how are they selected? They have experienced the game from last year and they were the best ranking students inside the university, so they are the best person to talk about the game. And I don't know if you play to Ace Manager game, but I will ask after. If one of you would like to be our ambassadors, I mean, he's welcome to join the team. So what did they do? So under the coordination of Ace Manager teams and signed by local HR and communication staff, ambassadors took promotion activities inside university campus, including introduce the experience of the game, encourage more registrations, create buzz in campus, answer questions students, and reach student associations, and of course it's a bridge between BNP Paribas and the schools. So we have as well the social network, very important for us. We have already nearly 30,000 fans who follow us every day. So it's good, I'm very glad, and we have in 7 weeks increased 30%. And we use as well in China Weibo, because China doesn't have Facebook, but it has increased 100%. So I'm very glad of this, and if you have a smartphone after my presentation, please like me. Increase my fans. So just for the schedule, the registration will start, I mean it has already opened, and we have already 4,050 participants registered, and I told you my task will be 25,000. I know I can do it. And the online competition will be the 17th of April until the 7th of May, so you will have 3 weeks competition. And I invite you guys to participate in this competition because it's really amazing, it's very interesting for you, and you will have a great experience. And the grand final will be in 2014, so that means if German teams will be among the 5 best teams. Just for information, there is a prize money of 15,000 euros plus trip in Paris and VIP tickets for Roland Garros, which is not bad if you like tennis. And it's a good opportunity for you to play, because if you are part of the 5 best team, you will get this prize money. And of course, it can give you as well an internship opportunity. So I just want to come back to the best team. If it's in final, if it's in Germany, you will have the final in Germany with HR, business people, and the CEO. You will have to make business cases and an oral presentation as well in front of the jury. And after that, we will say who are the best teams. So thank you for your attention. My name is Deborah Lastry, as I told you. Here is Jens, my collaborator. There is one missing because he's at the office. Sorry. And now I want to show you a little film that give you what's happened 3 years ago. Obviously, it's not very well updated, but I want just to give you a vision of what's happening because it's good. So I just want to tell you the graphic of the design of the game is completely different now. It's much better, so don't pay attention to it. 1 second, I just connect myself.
No.